Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to install Edit Plus software. We can say IDE, by which we can develop easily a simple like core Java applications as well as HTML, CSS, JavaScript programs we can write. A simple IDE to work with all these programming codes. How to download? Just go to the Google. Just type Edit Plus, Edit Plus download. Better you go with the earlier version instead of latest version. It's a latest version and go with the previous version. Why I'll explain. Edit Plus version 4 based on the operating system type you are using. Right? Just download. Here it is a download starts. Once download has been completed, just click on the file. Accept, install. Just click on a start copy. Yes, it is successfully installed. See, once it is installed, it will show that Edit Plus here icon on desktop. But if you click on that, now it will start. Yes, right? Click on OK. All directories will set automatically. Now it is looking for registration code actually. For this, suppose if you install the latest version, maybe the key is not available. So now we are searching. We are searching for the key. What we have installed? Edit Plus 4. Edit Plus 4. Registration key, registration code. Suppose here, suppose somewhere just coding software blogspot, someone here it is providing. In this one, see, look at this is username. It's a cracked version. Copy, and here it is just registration password is there, code, username, password, register. You should restart Edit Plus to activate that. Yes, suppose if you write, here it is, open this. Now see, now it will not ask. And here it is, from here you can write new normal text file you can create for any font changes and all. Here screen font option is there. Go with the screen font option, set font. You can set the fonts and everything. You can increase the font size. And here it is, if you want to write a Java program, so it will give that inbuilt template. If you want to write any HTML program, see, inbuilt template it is giving. The remaining code you have to write and practice. This is the simple way of installing Edit Plus. Remember, please install 4 version because the key, cracked key is available to do. Hope you understood. Thank you all.